Last week we looked carefully at the emergence of Abraham Lincoln as a major figure of the 1850s. This week we begin by looking at a very different figure, John Brown. Brown hated slavery just as Lincoln did, but he adopted a very, very different way of trying to deal with the issue than Lincoln or most people of his era. And Brown remains very controversial. Some people admire him greatly, some people despise Brown, and we will try to figure out what we should think of him. What were his motives? What were his ideas? What did he try to accomplish? What did he accomplish, if anything, in his raid on Harper's Ferry in 1859? Brown, I think it's fair to say, widened the gap between North and South on the eve of the Civil War. But then we'll go back to Lincoln and the election of 1860, the shattering of the Democratic Party, the last great bond of the Union, and a presidential campaign with 4 different candidates kind of illustrating how the political system had fallen apart. And then with Lincoln's election as president, we take the country right up to the eve of the Civil War.